Hi friends, Don Wilson here, running a bit of an experiment. It's an interesting one, the kind of thing that most people never get to see, so I thought that I would make a quick video of it. Here what I'm doing is I'm distilling the components out of brown wax, and I'm doing that with a spinning band vacuum distillation column. Over the years, I've accumulated many broken cylinders, either those gifted to me from other collectors or bought them at shows or whatnot, and I melted some down, added a little sulfuric acid, then washed out all of the water-soluble components, including the sulfuric acid, leaving just the waxy materials behind. And that's what's currently being distilled. Those waxy components are quite solid at room temperature. So we have a heating mantle, which is currently at about 185 degrees, and you can see it boiling away. The vapors then travel up that vapor duct into the distillation column. And the distillation column is a glass column that's packed with a stainless steel mesh, and goes up, 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 until it gets to the very tippy top, where it can either hit the condenser and come back down, or there's a little screw over here to adjust how much is allowed to come through. Some of it's going to hit this little cobalt blue finger that's right there, and it's going to drip perfectly onto this tube. It's going to come to another nice little glass finger, and then drip, just as you saw a moment ago, into this collection flask. And this is all happening at nearly a perfect vacuum, 1.2 millibar. Millibar is a scale of 0 to 1,000, with 1,000 being atmospheric pressure. So 1.2 is nearly a perfect vacuum, and here we can see the temperature in Celsius. So we have 185 is the boiling temperature in the pot. The column's at 194, and then 165 at the top. So these are pressure or temperatures that are pretty close to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the end result is quite impressive. Look at that. It's virtually the color of water, except it instantly solidifies when it hits the room temperature glass. Even that, the portion that is solidified, it's very light in color. If you compare that even to a moderate color cylinder, just a lovely piece of technology. And also a beautiful piece of hand-blown glass. It's really quite a pleasure and an honor to be able to work with a piece of glass that some really skilled craftsmen would have spent so much time making these fiddly little fittings, and everything fits perfect and works under these really extreme conditions. Finally, there's a vacuum pump that's over and away, but before the vacuum pump there's this cold trap, and typically I would use dry ice, but quarantine and everything. So some soda cans that are filled with water and then frozen in the freezer, and you can see that some materials, either maybe some incidental water or some very short chain hydrocarbons, had made it through and hit that glass and then solidified as exactly what's supposed to happen in a cold trap. At the end, there will also be some material collected down at the bottom, but these are all the very either polar or very short chain components. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video, maybe you learned a little bit, and as always, I encourage comments, questions, constructive criticism, doninphilly@gmail.com. Thank you.